Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be explaining the future of this channel because as you know, if you've been here since the very beginning, content has changed over the past year a lot recently. So I'm going to be explaining what I'm going to do with this channel and what I'm going to be like posting and stuff like that. So let's get right into this. So as you know, I've been posting Wheels on the Bus content, with like kid content kind of, and I've been seeing the success on that area. I've gained like over 150 subs in the past week, which is insane, and so I'm gonna continue doing that, of course. So that's a no-brainer for me. I'm gonna continue doing those, but I know some people have subscribed to me from reviewing tech, right? So I'm not gonna be reviewing tech anymore, but I'm gonna be doing another thing. I'm gonna be reacting to like different things, like maybe things getting crushed by the shredder. I've done a couple videos on that, or like reacting to some of my old videos. So I'm gonna be doing that. Like I'm gonna be posting one or two videos a week on that. I'll still be posting Wheels on the Bus content and sound variations to that stuff. I'll still be doing that, and I'll also be doing reacting to different things. So that's the big update on my channel, and hopefully I can stay consistent on this, and hopefully I can keep my word on this. And also, guys, if you haven't been here since the very beginning, like 3 months ago, I said if we reach 500 subscribers, I'll buy a camera. We're very close to that. We have 428 right now. We're almost there. So can you guys do this by the end of the month or by the end of the year? Because the end of the year is coming very soon. So hopefully we can hit 500 by the end of the year. That was my goal from like since August of this year, to reach 500 subs, and we're almost there. But once we hit 500, that's gonna it's gonna be a surreal moment, because I think we're like halfway to 1,000, which is insane. So hopefully we can reach our goal, and hopefully I can stay consistent on this channel and not take breaks like all the freaking time. So hopefully I can stay consistent on this, and hopefully you guys are enjoying the content I've been posting recently. I know some older people who watched my videos before probably don't prefer this, but hopefully I get some reaction videos out there so you guys can enjoy that as well. And I'll still be posting Wheels on the Bus content, sound variation. So give me video ideas to what to react to. What do you want me to react to? You want me to react to some of my older videos, or reacting to things getting crushed by the shredder, or by reacting to things getting crushed by the hydraulic press? I mean, just let me know. You choose what I react to. But other than that, guys, that's the future of this channel. I hope I can stay consistent, and I hope we can reach 500 by the end of the year so I can buy a camera. That's the future, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope to be back with another video soon, and later, guys. I'll catch you guys later.